Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. You ever wonder the entire process from when we get the items to when they get to you? We're going to explain that process, and I have a special surprise for you, so stay tuned. All right, so your special surprise right off the bat, I'm not going to hold back. It's going to be a promo code for you guys. Go straight to hookedonpickin.com. Use the promo code TRAVEL. If you use the promo code TRAVEL, because we're traveling, that's why we're doing a video like this today and not a regular unboxing. Use the promo code TRAVEL. You're going to get 20% off your entire order on hookedonpickin.com. And that's even the things in the weekly specials category, which are already discounted, which is awesome. So check that out. Also, just a reminder, we have items already in the online auction spot, so make sure you check those things out, and those are actually going to be finishing next week, and so you'll have a whole week to look at the items and bid on them. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go through the process of how things happen in this back room of hookedonpickin.com. All right, so we're going to start over here. This is the doorway that all the pallets come in. Both of these doors open, they swing open, we pallet jack them in, and as you saw right where I was standing, this is where they get placed. We actually just unboxed 3 pallets this week, so when you use your promo code TRAVEL for that 20% off, you have so many items to pick from because we actually had 3 other pallets in here that we've actually just listed, so bonus for you guys. All right, they get put here, then you see the unboxing process all the time. What happens after the unboxing process? You guys buy it online, and then one of our employees will grab something like this, or we also have larger crates there, that we will go and pick your order. We get a little slip of paper, which is a pick ticket, and then we pick all your items. After they go off the pallet, they get shelved and inventoried. So these are our very descriptive wood shelves. This would be wood shelf A, and they're all labeled A, B, C, all the way down to the letter M. And then we have, yes, you guessed it, metal shelves. And we have these labeled as well. Metal shelf A, and then it's A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And that's how we have everything, and so how we can find the items afterwards. So we'll go ahead and they pick their items off the wood shelves, the metal shelves. Sometimes they're in a numbered drawer, and so if it's in drawer 90, I would open drawer 90, take the item out, and then that would be going into your package. We have those cute tulips, by the way. You can get 20% off if you use that promo code TRAVEL. All right. Then, of course, we're going to bypass the auction station, which if you didn't see the video yesterday, we showed you all that. And then this is our kind of eating area where we can, this is essentially our break room. Back there is where a garage where we throw all the extra boxes. Then we have our cute little fridge that we got. And then down here is most of our drawers, and then where we shelve some of our really large items. So this is a set of 2 brown chairs, which is awesome and available online. And then we've also got some other things. I think these are dog houses, and all various different things. And you can open all of these drawers, and they're all skewed. I think I have one that I wanted to show you. Sometimes with jewelry, this is how we do jewelry. It's in drawer 18, but it's jewelry piece number 4. So sometimes we even get even more specific inside the drawers. All right, then we're going to bypass this. Oh, this is Bloom Chick, and Bloom Chick pallets. So we've got lots of our clothes coming, so we're super excited. Now that I've got all of your items, what do I do next as the employee? I come over here, I choose whichever size box I need for your item, and I box it up and put everything inside. Not usually with the basket, but just for an example, I'll show you. Then we close up your basket. We weigh it here. We print the label here, and then it gets placed over here by the doors where it just came back in. And so we've got UPS on this side. So if this was a UPS package, I would set it here. And then look, these are outgoing regular mail packages. So it comes in this door and goes out this door. So that's the entire process of what happens when we get a pallet and you guys order from our store. That's the process of how you get your stuff. And so we're super excited about that. It looks like chaotic, but it actually is fairly organized. Don't forget to use that promo code TRAVEL to get your 20% off as we are traveling back right now from our college tour visit with our daughters. And so we're super excited to be able to share that promo code with you and a little bit of the behind the scenes look at hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.